Hey, my name is Timothy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do some speed ramping. Speed ramping is basically just slowing down or speeding up some footages, giving it a little bit more pop to your edits. I've been using Premiere Pro, but you can basically use any platform of editing. The same techniques apply. So let's get to it. First things first, you want to choose your clip. Drag it into your sequence or timeline. Next, we're going to hover over the little FX box. We're going to right click it, scroll down to time remapping. After that, you want to click on speed. This will help us control the speed of the video, making it either slower or faster at the parts we want to emphasize. Observe where you want your clip to change speed. I want mine to pan back fast, as it gives focus on the Brooks Brothers name at the beginning. So I'm going to choose mine right about here. Hold down Control and click. I'm going to increase the right portion of my clip. We're going to drag this bar up. Now depending on your clip, the increasing or decreasing percentages may vary. When you finish that, you want to smooth it out so it doesn't seem abrupt. Go to your marker points, click on them, and start to separate them. Click on the marker again and you'll see a little lever that appears. You can pull this lever to control the smoothness of the speed ramp. Let's take a quick look at our speed ramp now. Alright, and that's it. That's the end of the tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. You guys can get really creative with speed ramping. Definitely go out and try it in your video edits. It's very simple and an easy tool to use. It's very, very effective. So yeah, have fun with it. And here's a little something I put together at the end. See you next time.